Ellicia Romo here, and I want to talk to you about creating referral partnerships. Are you in a business that can grow by having referral partners? Like maybe are you a realtor, or like me, you're a mortgage loan originator, or you sell insurance, especially property casualty. People who sell insurance, property casualty, homeowners insurance, can really partner with loan originators as a great referral partner. And loan originators can partner with realtors as a great referral partner. So when I work with loan originators, we're constantly talking to realtors about creating a partnership to build business together and build referrals. So my question for you is, if you're in a business where you build referral partnerships and you go out, let's say to a networking event or anywhere else for that matter, and you meet somebody who you think could be a great referral partner for you. Like maybe you're a realtor and you want to work with people divorcing and you meet a divorce attorney, right? Once you meet that person, what do you do to build and establish the relationship to start getting the referrals? Far too often, I see people go out to networking events and they're working on handing out their business card. They walk in with a goal of maybe giving out 3 to 5 business cards. Well, I want you to think about your activity in an opposite way of that. Rather than giving out your business cards, how many business cards can you collect? Can you get 3 to 5 new business cards? In my world, it's about being a card collector versus a card giver. Why would I want to collect the cards? Well, first off, I only want to get cards from people that I think I'm going to like and that I might want to work with. Second off, if I have the business card, who's in control of the follow-up? Of course I am, because then I have their contact info. So now when you get people's cards, what are you doing to follow up? What are you doing to stay in touch? What are you doing to stay top of mind? What are you doing to get them to say, yes, I will send my clients or my referrals to you? After I meet someone, it's always my goal to touch base with them 8 times within the first 2 weeks. Now, those 8 times can be over text message, over email, over social media, over sending a card in the regular mail or snail mail, like some people might say. It might be sending a video message or a video text. There are so many different ways. Or once they connect with me on social media, sending a private message. So many ways to engage in communication. And my goal is to touch on each and every one of those ways. So I'm coming at them from all different angles, and they're not going to be able to forget me. And then in those 2 weeks, I want to set an appointment to get face-to-face with them one-on-one, especially if we met at a networking event where there were lots of people around. And in that one-on-one appointment, it's my goal to decide that we want to work together. I'm going to decide I want to work with them, and I want them to decide they want to work with me. And it is my goal to create a partnership that is going to be win-win, that we can help each other grow and help each other hit our future goals. That is so important to me, that we're coming into this as a partnership, not one person just looking for referrals from the other. And then when I leave that first appointment, it is important to set a date for a second follow-up appointment and or have a course of action of what we are both going to do when we leave that meeting, so that we can start building our business together. If you need any more tips, feel free to reach out to me. If you are a loan originator, just like my background says, NEXA Mortgage is hiring great loan originators. If you're looking for a place to move to or a new place to work, reach out to me or the loan originator that sent this to you if you got this from someone else. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Talk to you guys later. Follow me on YouTube for more tips. Follow me on Instagram or connect with me on Facebook, LinkedIn. You can find me everywhere. Talk to you later. 602-989-2939 if you want to call or chat.